It just missed killing me. I arrived in safety at exactly that minute. I could feel the wind blowing up and I could see the trees swaying to this side and that side, and I thought, ooh, this looks like it's going to be dangerous. I saw the wind blowing up and I thought, well, I better get back just in case, which is very deep and very profound and very long. And I was so absorbed. Every action, every phenomena is uncertain. That's all we know. Your life and my life. We think that everything is permanent and solid. The hurricane, with very, very strong force, came through and it hit the tree with the force of a solid object and knocked it right over. Nothing is permanent. And anything, anytime, anything can happen. The day the hurricane ripped through the forest, I don't want to get wet. It's, you see how it's all broken down and entangled and is going right back into what looks like jungle after only a few weeks. Ripped up by the roots. The day the hurricane ripped through the forest, it just missed killing me, or maybe badly injuring me. But it's very interesting when you compare this tree, which is all broken down and tangled like a jungle, to the one over here, not very far away, which was standing there at the same time. This tree, which is now supported by superstructure to hold it up, I could feel the wind blowing up and I could see the trees swaying to this side and that side, and I thought, ooh, this looks like it's going to be dangerous. We got a crane, we put it down, we trimmed the top, and we dug a big hole again. We put the roots in firmly that were left as the hurricane hit and wasn't touched at all. And sometimes we ask ourselves, why is it that one tree is totally devastated and the other one is left untouched? Very much like happens in human life to people, those close to us, those we know, and in the world at large. Why is one man knocked down? And why does another thrive? It's a question we do not know. Cut off your existence in a moment of breath before the next breath is able to come. So, why did that happen? We never know. Uncertain. Everything in the world is uncertain. Every action, every phenomena is uncertain. That's all we know.